Hello, this is Jay Coder back with another stream. And have you ever struggled to organize your data on a web page? In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to master HTML tables. And if you like this content, subscribe to the channel, comment on this video. Without further ado, let's get started. As you can see on my screen here, I have the Visual Studio Code open. And so I have in the green here commented fields of the tags related to the table. And I'm going to go ahead and go over these tags for you guys today. And so, for the table tag, we will have these in within the table tag, which is th, which is defines a header cell in a table. Tr defines a row in a table. Td defines a cell in a table. Caption defines a table caption. Column group or call group specifies a group of one or more columns in a table for formatting. Column tag or call tag specifies column properties for each column within a call group element. And then we have the T head, which groups the header content in a table. T body groups the body content in a table. And T foot groups the footer content in a table. So I'm going to do some examples for you guys today so that we can see what this looks like. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and put my example here where we're going to start with the table tag. And then within a table tag, I'm going to have a tr tag. And then within a tr tag, I'm going to have a th tag. And so th, this is a header, defines a header cell, and tr defines a row in the table. So anything inside this tr will be inside a row, and these will be headers. So for instance, I can say, like, if it was going to be a table of information, the person's company, the contract, and the company. I'm sorry, and the country. And then after this, what we can do is under this will be another row. So that's the end of our row 1. And this will be row 2. Except with this row 2, it will be the actual fields. So this first one will be the company, which we can say Acme. And then the next one can be the contract, I'm sorry, not the contract, the contact. And the contact will be John Marino. And then the country can be the Mexico. And so we have, our first record, which is this is going to be the row under the header row. And then let's make another one. And then actually, this TH stands for header. So this will no longer be a header. So I'm going to change this to TD. And TD defines the cell in the table. So it's just going to be a regular word that's not a header. And now let's add one more row just to have another set of information. And this one will be Monsters Inc. And the contact will be Sandra Lowe. And the country will be Brazil. Alright, and so now we have our table here. And also, I'm going to, well, let me actually show you what this looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and open my example here. And I want to also indicate that for my CSS, I have changed the colors of my website. So that's why this website may look a bit different. But so this is how this looks like for the table. And you can also apply styling to the table as well. For instance, I can add an actual border to the table. So let me go into my CSS styles.css file here, and let me go ahead and add a border to the table. And how I would do that is, for the table elements, I'm going to, for TH, TD, I'm going to put a border. So a border of 1 pixel. And that's going to be a solid black border. Actually, let me make this actually the same color we have here. And so, alright, let's see what that will look like now with our actual border. And let me see here. So inside my CSS, we have the table, and then we have the TH, and then the TD. And then I have to delete that. And then let me show you guys what that looks like with the border. So it'll look like this, like so. And so this is how to make a more cleaner looking table to add the border to it. And now I'm going to show you the next example. And so, for instance, Each table is defined by a TD and a slash TD, and everything between the TD and the slash TD are the content of the table cell. And so, for instance, if we wanted to add, let's go ahead and add a caption to it. Define to define a table caption. So I'm gonna go back to my table. I'm gonna go ahead and add a caption here, and I'm gonna just and then so I'm gonna go ahead and do a caption here on the table, where after the table tag I'm gonna say caption, and then this is going to be the top companies of the world. All right, and let's go ahead and see what that looks like here. And so let me go ahead and get that window for you guys. And so the caption can be on top of the table like this, and the top companies says the top companies of the world. All right, well, this is the introduction to the tables, and I encourage you guys to play around with the tables to see what you can come up with. And good luck on your journey in HTML. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and as always, stay coding. Peace.